Radhe Radhe. Today is Saturday, 21st September 2024. And here we are to present this recap video for today's Bhagavad Gita recitation session, wherein we not only concluded chapter 12 from last week, but also then moved on today to a review session, hearing the rendition and chanting of various verses amongst our different participants. So in this recap video, Mummy will take us through a few of those select verses with also, of course, the opening and closing prayers. And that'll help to serve as an overall review and recap for all of you for chapter 12. Mummy, as always, Radhe Radhe, you're here.
Radhe Radhe.
I'll bring up the screen, and in fact, a little opposite order. I'll first just show the flyer this time because it's actually simple or simpler than normal. It's really just, again, talking about the review for chapter 12. So that's what we covered today, which is what this recap video is going to also pertain to. So simple display here, chapter 12 review, but the stress on the right side was, are you ready to display your bhakti quotient? And again, we do thank those of you who joined class to be able to partake in these verses and bring it to a really high in terms of bhakti quotient. With that, we then move into specific verses that Mummy will recite, starting with the opening prayer of chapter 12.
Yeah, this chapter is very important. It's all about bhakti. And as we see in the beginning chapters, Krishna is slowly, after teaching us about different paths of yoga, union with God, he's guiding us towards bhakti quotient, that we have to increase that. So for this review session, I have chosen, I think, 9 verses out of 20, and we will have a review of chapter 12. Let's start with the invocation prayer. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. अथ द्वादशोऽध्यायः भक्तियोगः। अर्जुन उवाच एवं सततयुक्ता ये भक्तास्त्वां पर्युपासते ये चाप्यक्षरम् अव्यक्तम् तेषां के योगवित्तमाः। श्रीभगवानुवाच मयि आवेश्य मनो ये मां नित्ययुक्ता उपासते श्रद्धया पर्योपेताः ते मे युक्ततमा मताः। ये तु सर्वाणि कर्माणि मयि सन्न्यस्य मत्पराः अनन्येनैव योगेन मां ध्यायन्त उपासते। मय्येव मन आधत्स्व मयि बुद्धिं निवेशय निवसिष्यसि मयि एव अत ऊर्ध्वं न संशयः। अद्वेष्टा सर्वभूतानां मैत्रः करुण एव च निर्ममो निरहङ्कारः समदुःखसुखक्षमी सन्तुष्ट सततं योगी यतात्मा दृढनिश्चयः मयि अर्पित मनो बुद्धिः यो मद्भक्तः स मे प्रियः। यो न हृष्यति न द्वेष्टि न शोचति न काङ्क्षति शुभ अशुभ परित्यागी भक्तिमान्यः स मे प्रियः। समः शत्रौ च मित्रे च तथा मानापमानयोः शीतोष्णसुखदुःखेषु समः सङ्गविवर्जितः ये तु धर्म्यामृतम् इदं यथोक्तं पर्युपासते श्रद्धाना मत्परमा भक्तास्तेतीव मे प्रियाः ॐ तत्सत् इति श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु उपनिषत्सु ब्रह्मविद्यायां योगशास्त्रे श्रीकृष्ण अर्जुन संवादे भक्तियोगो नाम द्वादशोऽध्यायः सर्वं श्रीकृष्ण अर्पणमस्तु हरिः ओम्. So hope along with the weekly recap videos and with this video, it will help you to revise this chapter 12. Over to you, Gagan.
Thank you, Mummy, and for that review, of course, as well. Yep. As we noted in class, next week is the East Coast retreat in the US. So realistically, no sessions that week. So we'll meet 2 weeks or so from the time of recording this video. That'll be Saturday in the US, 5th October 2024, 9 p.m. Central Time, which becomes Sunday, October 6th, 2024, in India, 7:30 a.m. India time. Till then, keep practicing and keep that devotional bliss increasing and evolving. Thank you so much. Radhe Radhe.
Radhe Radhe. And on the video, those whose bhakti quotient has increased, or wherever you are with your bhakti quotient, do write us. Do write in the comment box. Thank you and Radhe Radhe.